How to send crypto from Revolut to Revolut X with zero fee. Now, first of all, open the Revolut app. First, make sure your Revolut app is updated to the latest version. Then open the app and log in. After that, go to the crypto section. So from the main screen, either scroll to find crypto or from the top hub at the bottom and search for it using the search bar. Once you are in, you will see the all cryptocurrencies or all the cryptocurrencies you recently hold. After that, choose the crypto that you want to send. And now let's say you want to send Ethereum, tap on it to open your Ethereum wallet inside the app. And after that, tap on transfer to Revolut X. So now look for the option that says transfer to Revolut X. This option will only show if your Revolut X account is already active and verified. Tap on it. And after that, enter the amount. So now you enter how much crypto that you want to move, and you can type it as a specific amount or just type the max to send everything. After that, review the transfer. So before you confirm, you will see a summary of the transaction, and here is the best part. So no gas fee, no network fee, 100% free. So that is because this transfer happens inside Revolut's own system, so no blockchain fees are needed. And after that, confirm and you are done. Just tap confirm and your crypto will move instantly to your Revolut X trading account. You will now be able to trade using advanced tools, limit orders, and enjoy much lower trading fees than the main app. Now, a quick tip before you go. If you don't see the transfer to Revolut X option, make sure you are signed up to Revolut X and complete the verification. Or if Revolut X is currently available in select regions, check your eligibility inside the app. And that's it. You just moved crypto from Revolut to Revolut X instantly and with zero fee. So this is how to send crypto from Revolut to Revolut X with zero fee. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.